Hello and happy fall. This truly is one of my favorite seasons because of all the color that surrounds you. The weather is perfect and there's always so many things to do to celebrate this time of year. Let me show you my top 5 things on my fall bucket list for the year. I'm really into skincare. I even work at a skincare company. That's how much I love it. I believe in proper skincare though, and good practices, which is why the first activity on my bucket list is going to the spa. They currently are doing a pumpkin delight facial that sounds dreamy. I've been to this spa a few times. I really like it because it's actually a school, and so the prices are a lot cheaper, and they do a better job than the professional spas that I've been to. But this is actually my first time getting this specific facial, the pumpkin facial. And it was only $50 and included like 12 different steps. In my video, I don't show all 12 steps because that would take too long, so I only show a few steps. To be honest, I don't really know what they did to my face. I just know that it felt amazing. And they put all these different creams and serums, and they would clean it off with the towel, and then they put the pumpkin puree on my face, and it smelled so good. Oh, and then they gave me an amazing scalp massage, and it felt incredible. And they put on another mask, and then they gave me an arms and hands massage. Okay, I just finished, and that was amazing. I literally feel like a new person. My face feels amazing. I feel hydrated. My face is tingling with joy and happiness. And if you're thinking about getting a facial, definitely do it. You won't regret it. I've never gone to a peach or apple farm before, but apparently it's a thing to do here, so I thought, why not? This specific orchard belongs to a family that's owned it for over 100 years. Located right in Alpine, you can not only find peaches and apples, but homemade honey and caramel sauce as well. The main attraction are their peach shakes. They were literally so good. Ask this guy. This is a really popular place to take your kids because there's a lot of room for them to play. And if you're into taking photos, there's beautiful spots to do that. Oh, the pumpkin patch. I know it sounds basic to go, but it's always a good time. It's definitely a place to go with your family, a lover, or your friends. Let's be honest, people nowadays just go to the pumpkin patches to take photos. I'm guilty. I've actually never been to the pumpkin patch ever, so I decided to go today, and of course I took photos. You can also find really good deals on pumpkins, and the nice part is that there's a wide selection to choose from. Make sure to bring your wallet though, because I didn't, and I just gotta watch my friend buy pumpkins instead. So we're on our way to the escape room now. We should have been there a minute ago, but we kind of got lost. I think I put in the wrong address. Last time I actually went to one was a few years ago on a date, and so I'm excited now to go with my husband and with a few of our friends. If you've ever been to an escape room, it's basically a way to find out who's smart and who's dumb. You're locked up in a room with a team, so choose wisely when you go. You find clues, you solve puzzles, so you can complete your given mission. Ultimately, you're trying to find a key that's going to help you escape before time runs out. Escape rooms are honestly a really good time. They're a little bit pricey though, but there's tons of Groupons that you can find for these places.
Come on. I'm trying to open this stupid thing.
Is something knocking? What on earth? So normally I'd buy my fall decor because I'm horrible making things with my hands, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try something new this year. I went to Hobby Lobby, picked up some yarn. Next, I grabbed a little rectangular cardboard cutout to be my frame. Then you pick your first color and you start wrapping it around, hot dog style, and you keep going until you feel like it's thick enough. Then you take out the cardboard cutout. You hold the thread from the top and you cut the bottom. After that, you just repeat the process for every color that you end up using. Lastly, this part is actually easier to show than explain, so just watch the clip. And that's it, your garland is ready. It took me about an hour and a half to 2 hours to finish mine, but I think overall it looks pretty good, especially for it being my first time. Well, I hope you enjoyed my fall bucket list for the year. Let me know if you've done any of these things or what your favorite fall activities are. I hope this video motivates you to leave your home and enjoy all the things that this season offers. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and happy fall!